blizzard is a storm characterized by the strong winds and intense blowing snow. A blizzard needs a windstorm with a wind above 36 miles per hour and it causes the visibility becomes less than one quarter a mile. Blizzard occurs when the warm temperature collides with the cold temperature. In the United States, the occurrence marked by the collision between warm air from Gulf Mexico and the cold air from Arctic. Actually, a blizzard can occur in many places as long as there is snow. Even in the tropical area, which is the snow only placed at the peak of the highest mountain range.
Blizzards come into types. First, a combination of wind and new falling snow. Second, when the wind's picking up the snow from the ground. Both types look identical, but ground blizzard need a strong winds. There are three conditions needed to form a blizzard. They are cold air, moisture, and rising wind. First, to make a snowfall on the ground, the air temperature at the top of the cold air and at the ground must be cold. The next thing is moisture or water vapor. A great water vapor source is the blowing air which passes over the ocean or lake. When the air which is on the water moves by the wind, some water will evaporate from the water surface and become vapor in the air. And last, the warm air must rising over the cold air. The warm air and the cold air will collide together and eventually causes precipitation. The warm air can rise up to make cold and blizzard snow as its way climbing up the mountain.
A blizzard can put an entire city into a standby situation for about 3 days. This condition makes traffic activity become impossible, students cannot attend their school, and grown-up people skip their work. Moreover, blizzard can damage power cables, burst pipes, and common fuel sources can be cut off. Okay guys, after the short explanation about blizzard, we will show you a simple experiment to form a blizzard.
Do you eager to see our experiment? Check it out!
Hi! Here are what we need to do the experiment.
First, we need the floor for the snow on the ground.
The second is the styrofoam to make a snowflake.
The third, we also need a little fan to make a wind.
And don't forget, the last one is the miniature of the environment.
So, let's get started. This is the first type of the blizzard that we want to show you.
First, take the styrofoam to make a snowflake.
And also take the fan to make a wind.
we want to show you.